friends, welcome back to my channel Arshia Sachdeva Vlogs. Happy Independence Day to all of my viewers and friends. On this special occasion today, I'll make two yummy and delicious recipes. First, we are gonna make Tricolour Lassi shots. First, let's add all the curd in the mixie grinder and blend it. Let's put some curd in the bowl and leave the remaining in the jar. Let's add fresh mint and coriander leaves and sprinkle some salt. Now let's blend it once again. Let's add some water to make the paste thin and blend it once again. Let's strain the drink and pop it into a glass. Now my green lassi is ready. Let's sprinkle some roasted cumin seed powder for garnishing. I made this the salty one. Let's keep it aside and move on to the sweet lassi. For sweet lassi, first let's add 3-4 spoons of blended curd. Add some sugar, powdered sugar. Stir it. Add some water. Now let's stir it with the help of a skewer. The second lassi is also ready. Let's keep it aside and move on to the third one. Let's add a bit of food color in the glass. Add 4-5 spoons of blended curd. Let's mix it. Oh, look at the bright orange color. Isn't it looking beautiful? Let's add some water, salt, and now let's give it a nice stir. Now let's garnish it with some roasted cumin seed powder. The Tricolour Lassi shots are ready. Let's move on to the Tricolour sandwiches. To make the Tricolour sandwiches, I have took 2 bread and cut their corners. First, let's take grated carrot, put it in the bowl. For the sandwich, I have took 2 breads and removed their edges. First, let's add carrot in the bowl. Add 1 spoon of mayo. Add some oregano. Sprinkle salt and mix it well. As you can see that the orange paste is ready. Let's spread it over a bread slice. This is too cheesy, I think, because we are putting a cheese slice again. Let's put a Amul cheese slice on the bread. Let's sprinkle some salt. Put some mixed seasoning. And let's spread some homemade green chutney on the other slice. And flip it over. Isn't it looking so amazing? Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.